Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burrito out of paper. This fun craft is perfect for all ages and requires just a few simple supplies. We'll start by selecting the right paper and preparing your workspace. Then, we'll move on to cutting and shaping your paper ingredients to create a delicious-looking, calorie-free paper burrito. Let's get started on this creative culinary adventure. First, let's create our tortilla. Take a large, circular piece of paper, ideally in a light brown or tan color. This will be the base of your paper burrito. Gently fold it in half, but don't press too hard. We want a soft, pliable look. If your circle isn't perfectly round, now is the time to carefully trim the edges. A good tortilla is key to a great burrito, even a paper one. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making paper burritos, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fun crafts. Quick recommendation. On another note, just like a perfectly rolled burrito brings joy, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with amazing sound. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, adding the fillings. Get creative with different colored papers. Green strips can be lettuce, red squares can be tomatoes, and yellow shreds make perfect cheese. Don't forget some brown paper for beans or meat. Carefully arrange all your colorful paper ingredients on one half of your paper tortilla. Make sure to leave some space around the edges for rolling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.